The size of this green arrow, the size of the additional marginal cost incurred by producers as they compete for consumers, will depend on the elasticity of demand, as we'll illustrate in panels B and C. In panel B, we'll begin with the case of a relatively elastic demand curve. In the absence of the price floor, we have the same initial equilibrium price and quantity as in panel A. Since we have not changed the supply curve, firms, if they believed they could get the price PF, would again wish to produce the output quantity XF. Competing for the fewer consumers that are now left, given the greater price responsiveness of consumers, will, however, require a greater effort cost on the part of firms who still wish to produce. As a result, the shift in the supply curve will now be greater to achieve the new equilibrium than it was in panel A. P prime and X prime will therefore be lower than they were in panel A. In other words, the price floor causes a greater drop in overall output in the industry than it did in panel A, and the price that's received by the suppliers once we net out the additional effort cost is lower than it was in panel A. The green arrow again represents the equilibrium difference between PF and P prime, which is equal to the equilibrium increase in the marginal costs for producers, given that they compete for the consumers who still want to buy at the price floor.